Are you struggling to deliver seamless customer experience across multiple channels while managing your team efficiently? If you're not able to do, then it's today fast-paced business environment, omnichannels, engagement, intelligent IVRs, and workforce management are critical for success. Now, welcome to Genesys Cloud, the ultimate platform for mastering all this aspect in one place. In this step-by-step guide video, I will walk you through how to use Genesys Cloud to streamline omni-channel communication, design interactive voice response system, and optimize workforce management all from one intuitive dashboard. So by the end of this video, you will know how to use Genesys Cloud, manage omni-channel interactions, configuration, IVR, and track workforce performance. So let's dive in. So before we get started, here on the top right side corner, let me just close this up. On the top right side corner, you can see here there's an option of get started. Now here, this is a product tour, so you can see all the Genesys has to offer, right? And this is a product demo, and then there's a pricing and plan. So let's go one by one from here. Now, if you want to start the tour, now here, but first of all, let's talk about the pricing because that is going to play a major role. Now, Genesys provide you 4 plans, right? Now, this is a name license and this is a concurrent license. As you can see here, the price changes as you go to the concurrent license here. Now here, each plan is better than the a last plan. As you can see here, you can pause the video or you can visit the genesys.com, and here you can just verify and check all this or compare all the plans by yourself if you're planning to buy this. Right, now let's go and click on product demo. So here I have to just enter the email and fill up this information and click on request my demo. Right, so this is how you can get a demo here. Let's start the tour. Now here, let's click on start admin tour here. Now this is an administrator from one location. So from a single location with a single login, you can compose customers and employees experience with extensive admin tools here, right? And create knowledge bases, configure routing and integrate system, right? So there's a much more you can just access. On the right side, this is, by the way, this is a by default the dashboard here. On the right side, you will find this complete information, right? How you can change with a microservice based architecture that bring weekly report innovations on demand, right? So this is not so much important for us, but this is really important. This is a people and permission, which you will find under the admin section. Here you can check all and manage your workforce with access to the roles and permission. They need to deliver, frictionless and familiar experience around the clock at every channel, and it also ensures this security in a really good way. Now if I just go and click on it, it will ask you can add people to the organization. So here you can see there's you have to just add this information and just go and click on create it, and you will able to create it. Right now you can assign roles and permissions, right? So if some people are working in a team, you can always assign roles and permission. You can regulate the roles and queues and divisions of individual users. You can reset easy, knowing your agents and supervisions have access to everything they need and nothing they don't, right? So you can just give a control environment for each and every permission, right? You can define skills to optimize routing. So create and assign ACD skill to indicate an agent area of expertise and knowledge. You can improve time to resolution KPIs, right, by routing interactions to the most suitable agents. This is really nice, and this is empower multi-channel utilization. So you can allow agents to handle multiple voice, chat, email, message, or callback interaction at once. It improves service level metrics and KPIs, define maximum capacity per channels. Right now here, this is a coverage where you can operate, so you can choose to keep your existing service provider or opt from one native cloud-based telephony and SMS messaging service. So you can just come up here and you can just get each and everything, and once you're satisfied with it, you can obviously go, and I've already shown you the pricing tab here, and you can think of buying it or not, and whether it's a good thing or not. And if you are fully convinced that you need to buy, just go and click on contact us. On the top right side corner, just enter your email and your telephone number and what you need, and click on I would like someone to reach out to me, and click on contact us. So this is what you need to fill, or you can just call on this number. They will help you with it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.